What is up, everyone? My name is Jonathan, and today we are doing an Adobe Illustrator tutorial, how to make letters using the line tool, not how you'd expect. This is a very helpful technique. Hope you enjoy it. All of my stuff is in the description below. If this is your first time with me, thank you for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's my goal. Kind of screwed that up with Thanksgiving. It was Saturday. If this is not your first time here and you are coming back, thank you for coming back. Make sure to smash the like button before you leave. So let's get started. We are in Adobe Illustrator. Today we are making, like I said, a few custom letters with the line tool. So select your line tool. We're going to swap these color. Nope, we're going to do stroke. Make sure you have no fill right here. Hold shift and drag. Hold shift and drag. Hold shift and drag. And hold shift and drag. So now you're going to select all of these. Let's make a stroke of like 45. And then we're going to drag this over to the end of here. Make it longer than it has to be. Show you how to fix it. We'll fix this in a second. So now select all of these and go to Object, Expand Appearance, Object, Expand. Now grab the line tool. We're going to cut the end out of this off. Cancel that. And select both of those. Oops, don't want the shapes below it. Click divide. Now you can select the NP. Oopsies. Should be able to select the end piece and delete that off of there. We're going to merge these two pieces together. So grab the shape builder tool. Gotta select everything first. Shape builder tool. And then merge these shapes together. And now we're going to give it a color. We're just going to do this sky color. Just cause. We're going to click on this one. We're going to arrange, send to back. And now we're pretty much going to leave this one alone. We're going to click on this one. We're going to change the gradient on this one. And do this way. And we'll leave this one. No, whoops. We'll do it kind of like that. Select this one, hit G for the gradient. Flip that over. Oops. And we'll do it this way. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one, hit Control C, Control Shift V. So that created a copy and now pasted it in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the gradient of this one. So we can go to the gradient, go up to white and black. You can change this one to 0%, change the opacity to the white down here to 0, and then change the opacity to this one to like 40. And what this will do is it'll give it a shadow look up here at the top. Maybe do 60. Not that much. And now same thing with this one, hit Control C, Control Shift V, and that will paste in place. Make sure to arrange send backward, and then send backward one more time. Send backward one more time. Strange. Send back. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. Change to white. Change this to 0%. Oh, but it's behind the one. That's funny. Bring forward. There we go. So send to the back. So then it'll be behind this one, and then pull it forward one more, and then it'll be behind there. So swap this around because the shadow will be over here. Actually, we're going to do two shadows on this one. So we're going to drag this to the middle-ish. Change this opacity to like 60. Drag another one over here. Since the shape is over, end of the shape is over here, we could just drag this over here. There we go. But I want this to be a lot less than what it is, probably. Alrighty, thank you for watching. That is how you would make a custom letter in Adobe Illustrator using the line tool, using the expand or the object expand option. Hopefully that is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching. Give it a like. For the next 26 days until Christmas, I'll be doing every letter of the alphabet one way or the other, using shapes, using the pen tool, using whatever I can come up with. So stick around for that. Subscribe for more content like this one. Give the video a like. All my stuff is in the description below. If you wouldn't mind clicking on one before you leave, be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. God bless. Stay safe. Happy holidays. We will see you in the next one.